The Synocta InCeram Blank allows for aesthetically pleasing solutions when using add-on ceramic veneers. The Synocta InCeram Blank is made of zirconia, which is manufactured by Vita, and combines the mechanical properties of steel and ceramics. The non-infiltrated portion of the Synocta InCeram Blank is simple to modify using diamond sharpening stones. The areas to be cut are marked on the Synocta InCeram Blank for the screw-retained single-tooth crown, and the blank is reduced so that a smaller tooth shape is obtained. A minimum thickness of 0.7 mm must be retained. Only the special blue-colored SCS screws may be used for securing on the cast. As soon as the desired form is achieved, the Synocta InCeram Blank is infiltrated with the Vita zirconia infiltration glass in a conventional ceramic oven. This process gives the blank its excellent final hardness. The ground Synocta InCeram Blank is weighed, and the result is multiplied by a factor of 0.5. The result is the weight of the required quantity of the zirconia infiltration glass. The zirconia powder is mixed with distilled water and applied to the external surface of the Synocta InCeram Blank. The Synocta InCeram Blank is secured on the platinum dowel and the firing base with its internal octagon facing upward. This prevents the liquefied zirconia glass from running into the connection between the implant and the abutment. Pre-drying is effected at 600 degrees Celsius, 1112 degrees Fahrenheit, for 1 minute. After a heating time of 7 minutes, infiltration takes place in a vacuum at 1140 degrees Celsius, 2084 degrees Fahrenheit, over a period of 40 minutes. Please also follow the manufacturer's instructions. Excess zirconia is easy to recognize by its brown coloration and is removed with alumina with a 50 mm grit and a sandblasting unit at a pressure of 3 bars. Note that the connection between the implant and the abutment must not be exposed to more than 2 bars of pressure. Now the Synocta InCeram Blank can be used for either a cement-retained or a screw-retained restoration. The following example shows the direct firing of the ceramic material to the Synocta InCeram Blank for the screw-retained version. The Synocta InCeram Blank has a heat expansion coefficient of 7. This is why only Vita VM7 ceramic material may be used for veneering. Individual layered ceramic buildup is followed by correction firing and finally glaze firing. The completed ceramic crown is secured transpalatarly on the working cast using the blue occlusal screw. To insert the completed crown, the healing cap is removed and the interior of the implant is thoroughly cleaned. Then the Synocta abutment is removed from the master cast and is torqued into the patient's implant with the ratchet and torque control device to 35 Newton centimeters. The completed crown can now be placed on the abutment and secured with the blue occlusal screw that gets torqued to 15 Newton centimeters. This technique provides an aesthetically pleasing result with a screw-retained anterior restoration intact papillary structure and a harmonic gingival line.